Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to get data recovery premium software absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step video. So this license will be for 1 year premium license. So you can easily use this software for 1 year with premium version. So firstly go to one of your browser and here you have to paste the link. I will put this link in the video description. From there you will get this link. So this software is basically Pool Master data recovery software. So it is 1 year absolutely free of cost. So to get it free you have to provide your name, email address and captcha code, and then you have to click on submit. Click on this and here is the license code. You will get it. So copy the license code and download the software. So to download the software you have to go to this link and then you have to click on free trial. So the software is downloading. So it has downloaded successfully. Now double click on it. Install the software. So to install you have to click on next, agree, install. So this is installing. So click on next and click on finish. So here is showing thank you for installing data Pool Master data recovery. So now the software is free version. So you have to click on it and you can see this, it is basically trial version. So how you can get it absolutely free of cost with 1 year subscription. So to get it you have to click on register and here you have to provide the license code and email address. So now I will provide the license code. The license code you have to copy on it and you have to paste the license code in there and you have to provide the email address that you have entered before. So you have to click on register. So as you can see this, you have successfully registered. So thank you for registering. So if you go to this again and here you can see this, it is 1 year subscription and July 13 6 to July 13 2027. So remain 365 days. So you can use this software. So you can use this software as much as you can. It is absolutely premium version. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.